Why are people in Dubai, Singapore, and Zurich moving money 10 times faster than you? Most people don't realize this. Their financial system is slowing them down. Their money is blocked. Every delayed transfer, every manual verification, every outdated step is destroying efficiency. There is already a faster system, but you're not using it. Entrepreneurs in developed markets are switching. No banks, no waiting, no limits. They've started phase 1. You haven't? Are you still using a system that was built before smartphones existed? If your money depends on business hours, you're not in control. You're under control. Fast money isn't just speed, it's a different structure. It's the standard for international finance. The new system lets you send capital across borders in seconds. No currency restrictions, no paperwork. Revenue in multiple currencies. Operations 24/7. Automated. Scalable. Legal. Like this video or the algorithm will hide it. Comment phase 2 if you want to unlock the system. Share it with someone who still waits 3 business days. Subscribe now. The next video will explain how global investors build location-independent cash flow. Every minute you wait, someone else moves forward. Once it's public knowledge, the advantage is over. In 72 hours, I'll release access to the system used by private investors in 11 countries. It won't be shared again. This isn't about speed. It's about full control of your financial time. Welcome to the Borderless Wealth Protocol. Move different, earn different. I'll live different. Why are people in Dubai, Singapore, and Zurich moving money 10 times faster than you?